Hi, grade 6. I miss you so much. I hope you are all well. Today, inshallah, we will discuss wave. By the way, I have prepared a simplified summary for waves. I think it will make waves somehow easy, more arranged than the study guide. Okay, this summary will be uploaded on the site, inshallah, and I think there will be a hard cover for this hard copy for these waves in at the school. Okay, so let's discuss wave. First objective, I want you to know very well what is the meaning of wave. Simply, when you throw a rock inside the pond, you will see that around this rock there will be circle, 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 circle. What is this circle is called? This is called waves. When you go to the sea, okay, you see waves. Okay, so this is waves. What is waves? Waves is disturbance. This disturbance transmits energy. The energy is transmitted from one wave to the next one, and from the next one to the third one, and from the third one to the fourth one, and so on. These waves may be transmitted in a medium. What is the medium? Medium, this is the matter that transmits energy or wave. This matter may be solid, may be liquid, may be gas, okay, or empty space, or in a vacuum. So waves can be transmitted inside matter, solid, liquid, or gas, and can be transmitted in empty space or in vacuum. And vacuum may be vacuum room divide of air, or maybe inside space. Okay, so again, if I want you to define for me wave is any disturbance that transmit energy through matter or through empty space. Again, what is the definition of the wave? Any disturbance that transmit energy through matter or empty space. So if we have a look on directed reading A, you will see that the first question is what is a wave? What is a wave? Or define wave. So wave is, yes, right, wave is a disturbance that transmits energy from one point to another through a matter or a medium or inside empty space. If I ask you what is the medium, this is the substance that transmits wave. This medium may be solid, may be liquid, may be gas. Okay, so when we are looking at the sea, you see that the waves is moving like this. Okay, from one point to another, from one point to another, until it reach the shore. So this is called what? This is called wave motion. So what is the wave motion? Wave motion, this is the transmission of an energy through the wave until it reach another point. So energy is never lost. Energy is never lost. Energy is transmitted from one point to another. Okay, so the energy or the wave transmitted from its source to another point, and so on, and from another point to another point. This is called wave motion. So if you see at the sea, you can see that the waves of the water is moving, and you can see also that the ships is also moving. Okay, so this wave motion affecting the waves of the water and affecting also the floating substance, like a leaf, like this, like a sheep. Okay, so you see that this is the wave motion. Okay, so this wave motion of the waves of the water, and this is the leaf, okay, that transmit that's also affected by the wave. By the way, the grade 6, I have a nice video on waves, and this video inshallah will be uploaded on the site also. Okay, so please have a look on this video. You will be it will be very interesting. Okay, so this is the wave motion, okay, as you see, and the material through which the wave travel doesn't move with the energy. Okay, Okay, this is the wave motion. At the wave travel, it does work on everything it its path. The waves in a pond do work on the water to make it move up and down. Also, the waves work on anything floating on the water surface. Okay, so the waves make the water move up and down, up and down, up and down like this, and also the waves affecting the floating leaf or the sheep or anything floating, affecting it also. So, if I ask you, what is the substance through which a wave can travel? What is the substance through which a wave can travel? Yes, it is a medium. The medium may be solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, the waves can be transmitted without medium. Yes, right, grade 6. Yes, waves can be transmitted without medium in empty space or in vacuum. Waves can be transmitted through a medium. Waves can be transmitted through empty space. How energy is transmitted through a medium? Yes, energy is transmitted through a medium from one point to another through the wave motion. Again, how energy is transmitted through medium? The energy is transmitted through a wave from one point to another through the wave motion. Okay, why a wave move toward the shore but the leaf floating on the surface does not? Okay, because the wave affecting the waves affecting the wave motion, but the leaf doesn't move. The leaf remain at its place. It doesn't change its place. The wave only move toward the shore by its position, but the water doesn't move. Okay, so this is the wave motion. Okay, so the water and the floating object move tells you that the wave are transferring energy. Okay, this is the wave motion. Energy transfers through medium. Most waves transfer energy by the vibration of particles in the medium. So if I ask you what is the medium, again, this is another definition that's very important to know, that the medium is the substance through which a wave can travel. What is the definition of the medium? It is the substance through which the wave can travel. This medium may be solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, we have some waves that can be transmitted through medium, and we have another waves that doesn't need a medium to travel through. So one of the most important questions that I can ask you in a quiz or exam, give me example for the waves that need a medium to travel through. One of the most important waves and the most common waves is the sound waves. Sound waves travel through a medium. I will give you an example, grade 6. If you can hear me while I'm talking, yes. How? Because the sound waves are transmitted through air, so you can hear me. If I'm speaking in water, you can hear me? Yes. Of course, it's not with the same frequency and not with the same pitch. It differs, but you hear me. If I speak inside solid, if I put something solid and I speak it, you can hear me. Of course, with different frequency and with different speed, but you can hear me. But if I speak in vacuum or in empty space, you can hear me? Of course not. Why? Because sound waves are types of the waves that need a medium to travel through. Okay? Because sound waves is a type of waves that need a medium to travel through. So this is very, very easy example to remember. If I ask you to remember for me type of waves that need a medium to travel through, okay, sound waves. Also water waves need a medium to travel through. Okay, so okay, this is enough. Okay, I need two examples only: sound waves and water waves. Sound waves and water waves are two examples for the types of the wave that need a medium to travel through. This type of waves that need a medium to travel through are called the mechanical waves. So very important question: if I ask you to define for me the mechanical waves, what is the definition of mechanical waves? Mechanical waves are type of the waves that need a medium to travel through. If I ask you to give me an example for mechanical wave, so first you must know what is mechanical wave. Yes, mechanical wave, this is the waves that need a medium to travel through. This medium may be solid, liquid, or gas. Example: sound waves and water waves. Excellent. Okay, so if there is type of wave that need a medium to travel through, so of course there is a type of wave that doesn't need a medium to travel through, right? This type of wave is called electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves. So what is the electromagnetic waves? Electromagnetic waves are type of waves that doesn't need a medium to travel through. Again, what is electromagnetic waves? This is the wave that doesn't need a medium to travel through. So electromagnetic waves travel through vacuum or empty space, right? Okay, so again, if I ask you to compare between waves according to medium, you will tell me that there are two types of waves: mechanical waves that need a medium to travel through, electromagnetic wave that doesn't need a medium to travel through. If I ask you to give me an example for mechanical waves, so sound waves and water waves. Okay, what are the examples for electromagnetic waves, okay, that doesn't need a medium to travel through? One of the most common, very common is microwaves and radio waves and light waves. Okay, so light wave, microwaves, and radio waves and X-rays are all examples for the type of waves that doesn't need a medium to travel through. Okay, so again, can you tell me what are the types of waves according to medium? We have two types of waves. We have mechanical waves that need a medium to travel through. This medium, which is the substance that the wave travel through, may be solid, liquid, or gas. The best example are sound waves, water waves, and the electromagnetic waves, which are the types of waves that doesn't need a medium to travel through, like light waves, like microwaves, like radio waves are the example for the waves that doesn't need a medium to travel through. So let's see here. Okay, the definition for vibration, it doesn't differ with me, it's not important. Okay, I need question 6, which is very important. Waves that require a medium. Waves require a medium is mechanical waves, right? Waves that require a medium are mechanical waves. Okay, I want two types of waves that require a medium. Two types of waves require a medium, or two types of mechanical waves. Yes, right. Sound waves and water waves. Right, grade 6. Excellent. Sound waves and water waves. Okay, then if I ask you to list 3 examples of the wave that can transfer energy without going through a medium. Okay, yeah, they change the form of the question. Okay, waves that transfer energy without, is the way you ask me for the types of wave that doesn't need a medium to travel through, which is called electromagnetic waves. So give me 3 examples. Yes, it's very easy. Light waves, microwaves, radio wave. These are all examples for the types of wave that doesn't need a medium to travel through. Some wave that don't require a medium are electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves. So at the end, graphics of this video, I want you to know what is the definition of the wave. This is a disturbance. This is a disturbance that transfer energy through a medium or without medium, empty space or vacuum. Okay. Number two, what is the definition of the medium? Medium, this is a substance that the wave travels through. This medium may be solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, what is the wave motion? This is the path of the wave that transfer energy from one point to another. Okay, number four, I have two types of waves according to medium. I have mechanical wave that need a medium to travel through. This medium may be solid, liquid, or gas, like sound waves and water waves. And I have electromagnetic wave, the second time, electromagnetic wave that doesn't need a medium to travel through, like radio waves, like light waves, like microwaves. Okay, I think this is enough for this video. Please, and your homework is directed reading B, directed reading P, page you have page 7 and page 8 up to types of waves. Okay, so 8 questions. Okay, 8 questions up to 8, number 8. Okay, up to number 8, this is enough. Okay, so please answer and send me your homework, please, on Google Class or on email. Thank you so much. See you next video, inshallah. Bye bye.